Hey everyone, I'm back. It's your village girl. Now today I am going to show you step by step on how I slaughter my chicken. I live with my mom and my sisters, and so we have had to learn a few skills like slaughtering a chicken, changing a light bulb, and minor repairs here and there. So yes, my dad had taught me how to slaughter a chicken, and since then I have become the man of the house in quotes. So let's go right ahead, slaughter this chicken with me. But you won't eat with me. So you begin by identifying your target. Make a run for it. Run like your supper depends on it, because it actually depends on it. Now, before cutting the chicken, always ensure that there is some hot boiling water. Yeah, so that once you have cut the chicken, you can put it in the hot boiling water like I have just done. Yeah, so that this helps the feathers to come off without much struggle, without any struggle whatsoever. So you can start getting rid of the feathers from the bird. Get rid of the feathers. A very important step that you must not forget, it is getting rid of the hard stuff from the cloth, your makanyagio. You have to get rid of it, so you pull it so that what you're eating is clean and healthy. So that is. And after you're done, you put your chicken in a basin. After you ensure there are no feathers left in the body of the chicken. And now guys, look at this. This is the stuff, the chopping wood, the chopping board that we use here at home. My dad made it many years ago and it is still here. So yeah. Place the chicken on the chopping board, on the magical chopping board, and continue with the process. You begin with the legs. It is good to ensure that you have a sharp knife, because chicken from the village can be quite strong. Cut it into two parts depending on the number of people. Yeah. We have to make sure that everybody gets a piece. Everyone gets a piece. guys, we are going now to get the contents from the stomach from inside the chicken. You're going to get it out. So you cut the chicken as you have just seen, and then you insert your hand inside. Make sure you have enough space to do that. Once you have done that, place the contents in a clean plate and put them aside, because we are going to work on that later. Guys, proceed and work on the back of the kitchen, which is basically the only part remaining until you are done. So work on it, cutting in pieces that you want. Ensure you have a sharp knife, because a sharp and strong knife, or a panga for that matter, because the bone can be quite strong. Remember the contents that we removed from the stomach. Now separate the gizzard from the intestines. Take the gizzard and cut it and empty the contents inside your trash can. Empty all the contents, and then remove the upper skin. No, it's inside the gizzard, but once you cut it, you're going to remove the yellow skin from the gizzard and wash it so it becomes clean for consumption, and it can be part of the meat. Guys, take your liver and separate it from the intestines. We are now looking for the gall bladder, because if you cook it with the liver, it's going to make your meat taste like a bitter sort of. It will taste weird. So go right ahead and get rid of the gallbladder. Yeah, because we want our meat to remain tasty. That is the heart. Yeah, that is the. Get rid of the intestines, and there we have it. It is done, clean and smooth. You can go right ahead and cook it depending on your liking. Yeah, some people boil, some people fry, so it all depends. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I'll be back soon with another village hack, and it might help you earn a few coins. So thank you guys. Bye.